Hello children, let us continue with inequations. In part 1 I have showed you how to solve. Now we will be doing more questions in inequations. This is your board question 2007. In the boards, this comes in section A. This was question 3B in 2007. That means in section A it has come and it has marks 3 marks. So this is question 3B and 3 marks. So it is in the compulsory section. So solve the inequation and graph the solution on the number line. Solve and graph. They write graph, but don't worry, graph means that number line you have to draw. Graph the solution on the number line. Okay, the question is minus 2 upon 3 is less than or equal to x plus 1 upon 3 is less than 1 upon 3. X belongs to R. R means real numbers. Okay, so this also has two inequalities, so we will have to take it in two parts. So first part will be this one, second part will be this one. Okay, so you draw a line like this and write down minus 2 upon 3 less than or equal to x plus 1 upon 3, and this side x plus 1 upon 3 is less than 1 upon 3. Now here this implies minus 3 2s are 6 plus 2 8 upon 3 is less than or equal to x plus 1 upon 3. So implies minus 8 upon 3 and bring this 1 upon 3 this side. So plus 1 upon 3 when it comes this side becomes minus 1 upon 3 is less than or equal to x. So this implies minus 8 minus 1 upon 3 is less than or equal to x. So this implies minus 9 upon 3 is less than or equal to x. So this implies minus 3 is less than or equal to x. Now come to this side. This implies x plus 1 upon 3 is less than 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10 upon 3. So this implies x is only x is less than 10 upon 3, and this plus 1 upon 3 when it goes that side becomes minus 1 upon 3. So this implies x is less than 10 minus 1 upon 3. Okay, so this implies x is less than 10 minus 1 is 9 upon 3. So this implies x is less than 3. Okay, so when you combine these two results, x is greater than or equal to minus 3 and x is less than 3. So now the number line 0 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, and you have to write real number whatever is given. This is real number, and here minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 and this is solution set. First you have to write solution set is equal to set of all x such that minus 3 less than or equal to x less than 3, x belongs to R. Okay, so now minus 3 to plus 3. So from here, now here it is equal to is there, whereas in plus 3 there is only less than. Okay, so hollow, and here this is how you have to shade. So this is the entire solution set you have represented on the number line. Is that clear? Okay, so now I will proceed to the next question. The next question which I have selected is also a board question. This came in the year 2008. Question 2, 3 marks. This is question 2A. So again in the compulsory section, solve the equation and graph the solution on the number line. That is the usual standard format they ask. Okay, so the question is 2y minus 3 is less than y plus 1 is less than or equal to 4y plus 7, y belongs to R. So instead of x it is y now. So again there are two parts. This is one part and other part. Okay, anyway, so 2y minus 3 is less than y plus 1, and the other part is y plus 1 is less than or equal to 4y plus 7. Okay, so now this implies 2y minus y is less than 1 plus 3. This y comes this side minus, and minus 3 goes that side, becomes plus 3. So now this implies 2y minus y is less than 4. Okay, 2y minus y is y and less than 1 plus 3 is 4. Okay, or this can be written as 4 is greater than y, or y is less than 4. Now come this side. So this side you have y minus 4y is less than or equal to 7 and minus 1. So this implies minus 3y is less than or equal to 6. Now in order to remove, to get only y or remove minus 3, you divide by minus 3. So y, if you divide by minus 3, the equality sign will get reversed. So 6 upon minus 3. Okay, so this implies y is greater than or equal to minus 2. Okay, so if you combine 4 is greater than y, or y is less than 4, and y is greater than or equal to minus 2. So solution set of all x such that, sorry, not x, it is set of all y such that 4 is greater than y is greater than or equal to minus 2, y belongs to R. Okay, now the number line. This is your 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Here minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5. Now minus 2 has y is greater than or equal to minus 2. So it will be solid lollipop. And 4 is only equality sign. So hollow lollipop. And okay, is that clear, children? Now let us go to the next question. The next question also is a board question. The next question is 2009, it came in the boards. Question 3 again in the compulsory section. Solve the inequation, present the solution set on the number line. Same 3 marks. So minus 3 plus x less than or equal to 8x upon 3 plus 2 less than or equal to 14 upon 3 plus 2x. Minus 3 plus x less than or equal to 8x upon 3 plus 2 less than or equal to 14 upon 3 plus 2x, where x belongs to integers. Okay. So let us write down again. It has 2 parts. This is one part. This is other part. Okay. So minus 3 plus x less than or equal to 8x upon 3 plus okay. So and the other part is 8x upon 3 plus 2 less than or equal to 14 upon 3 plus 2x. So this implies you are sending minus 3 that side and bringing 8x upon 3 this side, or you can send x this side and bring that also you can do. So let us do that. Minus 3 and bring plus 2 here, so it will become minus 2 less than or equal to 8x upon 3 is there, bring x this side, so it will become okay. So this implies minus 3 and minus 2 becomes minus 5 is less than or equal to, this is 8x minus 3x upon 3. Okay. So this implies minus 5 is less than or equal to 8x minus 3x is 5x upon 3. Now in order to get x, you have to multiply by 3 upon 5. Reciprocal. 5 upon 3, so reciprocal. So x minus 5 will remain as it is and you are multiplying by 3 upon 5. Got it? So this 5 cancels. So you have minus 3 less than or equal to x. Okay. Now coming to this part, you have 8x upon 3 minus, bring the 2x here, is less than or equal to 14 upon 3 plus 2 when it goes that side becomes minus 2. So this becomes 8x minus 6x upon 3 is less than or equal to 14 minus 6 upon 3. This is cross multiplying. Okay. So this implies 8x minus 6x is 2x. So 2x upon 3 is less than or equal to 14 minus 6 is 8 upon 3. So multiplying both sides by 3, you will get 2x is less than or equal to 8. So this implies x is less than or equal to 8 upon 2. So this implies x is less than or equal to 4. Okay. So now if you combine this result, x is greater than or equal to minus 3 and less than or equal to 4. So solution set of all x such that minus 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4, x belongs to integers. Okay, so the number line 0, this is integers, plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 here, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5. Now x is minus 3, x has an equal to sign, both have equal to sign, so both will be solid lollipops. So minus 3 solid means where it will be dark inside, and this side you have plus 4. And this is integers. So in integers, remember, you cannot draw like this, the middle fractions are not there, so you have to mark every number with a lollipop in between. All these values are with a lollipop or with a dot on the number line. Okay, all these are values solutions. Okay. This is how you have to mark. Now this is another question which came in the year 2010, question 1a. So first question in the paper. So the equation is, solve the inequation and represent the solution set on the number line. So minus 3 is less than minus half minus 2x upon 3 less than or equal to 5 upon 6. X belongs to R, real numbers. So again it has two parts. Minus 3 less than minus half minus 2x upon 3 and minus half minus 2x upon 3 is less than or equal to 5 upon 6. Okay, so minus 3, and when minus half comes, this side will become plus half is less than minus 2x upon 3. Okay, so now this implies 2 into minus 3 minus 6 plus 1 upon 2 is less than minus 2x upon 3. So this implies minus 5 upon 2 is less than minus 2x upon 3. Now in order to get x, we have to multiply this by minus 3 upon 2. So implies minus 5 upon 2 into minus 3 upon 2 is the sign will get reversed, inequality sign, because we are multiplying by minus 3 upon 2. So greater than x. So this will become implies plus 15 upon 4, okay, is greater than x, or x is less than 15 upon 4. And this side we will get minus 2x upon 3 is less than or equal to 5 upon 6 plus half. So implies minus 2x upon 3 is less than or equal to 5 2s are 10 plus 6 upon 6 2s are 12. So this implies minus 2x upon 3 is less than or equal to 10 plus 6 is 16 upon 12. So 4 4s are 4, 3s are 12. So this implies x is, now you have to multiply by minus 3 upon 2. So the inequality will get reversed. 4 upon 3 into minus 3 upon 2, and 2 goes 2 times. So this implies x is greater than or equal to minus 2. So when you combine, x is less than 15 upon 4 is greater than or equal to minus 2, or implies this, if you convert into mixed fraction, it will be 4, 3s are 12, 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 upon 4 is greater than x is greater than or equal to minus 2. So solution set will be set of all x such that 3 upon 4 is greater than x is greater than equal to minus 2, x belongs to R. Okay, so when you represent this in the number line, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, this is plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 minus 4 minus 5. Okay, so now 3 upon 4 will be between 3 and 4. So here you show 3 upon 4. So, and it is only, there is no equality sign, so there will be a hollow lollipop. And minus 2 has an equal to also, so it will be, it will be a solid one. And this is how you will represent. Okay, so now homework for you. This is also board question 2011, question 4a. Solve the equation, represent the solution set on the number line. This is the common question. So children, this is another way of showing. Instead of lollipops like this, in case of integers, whole numbers, natural numbers, you can show like this, where you will be showing every element of the solution set. Here it is question 6b. So in this year it has come in the section B. 4x minus 19 is less than. So in the question paper you cannot predict CX whether this chapter will be in the section 1 or section A or section B. Here also it has come in this year also it has come in the section 2. Again in 2014 it has come in section A. X belongs to W. W means whole numbers. Okay, so whenever it is W natural number, you have to list the numbers. I mean elements. In fact, for whole number, you can omit the negative part of it, or that is the solution. Okay, you solve these questions on your own. I have given you the answers. If it doesn't tally, you can tell me. Try out these questions. You can try even more questions that are there in your textbook. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay, now there is one more type of question which I would like to show you. This also is a board question which came in the year. This is slightly different from the one, slightly different. This came in the year 2005. And this is your question 24 in exercise B, 4B. So they have given A is equal to set of all x such that 11x minus 5 is greater than 7x plus 3, x belongs to R, okay, and B is equal to set of all x such that 18x 18x minus 9 x set of all x such that 18x minus 9 is greater than or equal to 15 plus 12x, x belongs to R. Okay, find the range set A intersection B and represent it on the number line. So here the question is, find the range of set A intersection B and represent it on a number line. So here A is given as set of all x such that 11x minus 5 is greater than 7x plus 3, x belongs to R. Okay, so first you consider 11x minus 5 is greater than 7x plus 3. So it will become 11x minus 7x is greater than 3 plus 5, or it implies 11x minus 7x is 4x is greater than 8, or it implies x is greater than 2. Now you consider B. What is our B? B is 18x minus 9 is greater than or equal to 15 plus 12x. Okay, so instead of giving the two in a combined one equation, they have given us set A and set B. So 18x minus 9 is greater than or equal to 15 plus 12x. So this implies 18x minus 12x is greater than or equal to 15 plus 9. Okay, so it is similar only the question asking format is different. So 6x is greater than or equal to 24, so implies x is greater than or equal to 24 upon 6, that is x is greater than or equal to 4. So now A intersection B is, now what, see, A solution is x is greater than 2, all numbers that are greater than 2, and B solution is x is greater than or equal to 4. So what are the intersection means? You have to take only the common numbers. So what you have in A, you have x is greater than 2, so 3, 4, 5 and on, and in B you have x is greater than or equal to 4, so greater than or equal to 4, so 4, 5, 6 like that. So 4 is the common one. So A intersection B is set of all x such that x is equal, x is x will be equal to 4 only. Why? Because intersection, so x is equal to 4. Because x 5, 6, 7 will be there, but in this we have only in A we have greater than 2, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so from 4 onwards, so it will be greater than or equal to 4. A intersection B. Why? Because the solution set of A will have all the numbers greater than 2, that is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on, whereas solution set of B will have all the numbers which are greater than or equal to 4, that means 4, 5, 6 so on. So that means from 4 onwards all the numbers are common. So therefore intersection B will be such that x is greater than or equal to 4. Okay. So it is an infinite set, so it will continue. Okay children, so you do the sums. If you have any doubt, ask me. Okay, take care children, and ask me in my next class whatever doubts you have.